Did you know that the Apple Watch Ultra 3 sold over 1 million units in its first week? But hold on. With all that hype, is it really living up to the expectations? Let's dive into why some think it might be Apple's biggest mistake yet. Alright folks, today we're talking about the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This bad boy is supposed to revolutionize the smartwatch game with its cutting-edge features, like that stunning always-on display and advanced health tracking metrics. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? So, let's figure out if this watch is really the game-changer Apple promised, or if it's facing some serious issues. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 has faced its fair share of criticisms. Users have been vocal about its design, claiming it's bulky and not exactly comfortable for all-day wear, especially for smaller wrists. Then there's the functionality. Some folks are saying that the new software can be a bit buggy, causing apps to crash or lag. And don't even get me started on battery life. Many were hoping for a longer-lasting battery, but it seems like the reality falls short of the expectations. Overall, these challenges are making people wonder if Apple missed the mark this time around. Let's dig even deeper into these issues. For instance, the battery life, which was marketed as one of the standout features, has left many users disappointed. Instead of the promised 36 hours, some are barely making it past a day. That's not ideal for a device that's supposed to be your constant companion. And when we talk about software bugs, reports have surfaced of users experiencing random reboots and slow performance. Imagine relying on your watch for a workout, only to find it frozen mid-run. Plus, when you stack the Ultra 3 against competitors like Garmin or Samsung, some users feel they offer better battery performance and user experience at a lower price. So, is Apple really delivering the value they claim? Now, here comes the big reveal. The biggest mistake Apple may have made with the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is overpromising and under-delivering. Many loyal Apple fans expected a seamless experience, especially considering Apple's history of creating top-notch products. However, evidence from user testimonials and expert reviews highlights that the Ultra 3 might have launched too soon, with incomplete software and some unresolved design flaws. This has left consumers feeling frustrated and questioning their loyalty. To wrap things up, we've explored the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and its potential pitfalls. From disappointing battery life to software bugs and questionable design choices, it's clear that there are significant challenges that Apple needs to address. The implications of this mistake could affect not just Apple's reputation, but also how consumers view future products. So, what do you think? Is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 living up to the hype? Or has Apple really made a blunder? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're curious about how the Ultra 3 stacks up against other smartwatches, check out my next video where I compare all the leading models. Don't miss it.